Hello children, this is your practical class video 2 of standard 4 computer lesson 3 tools of word processor. Today I will show you how to open and edit a document, how to close a document and how to exit an application. The application is your MS Word. So let us start. First you start your Word, click on the start button, go to the Microsoft Word, double click and it will open up. As it is default, it will new document will come. So what we have to do, we have to take out the saved document where we have to do some editing. So you go to the office button, click it, go for open. You see so many documents are there. From this I will take my document, computer document. Here I have written some lines. Okay, so how to edit? If you want to change something on this paragraph, how to do it? So what you have to do, you have to just click where you want to change. So let me change here, show you some editing here. I will click here and I will write here in our day to day lives, and see, you can write whatever you can make changes whatever you want. Now how to close a document? You have to just click on this close button on the title bar, or you will go to the office button and there you will get the option close. When you will close it, see one message is coming. Do you want to save the changes to this computer document? Since I have done some changes, what I will do, yes, so that it will save the changes and then it will close. Here you have closed the document. Now how to exit the application? Just you have to click this close button, or you have to press Alt plus F4 to come out of the application. Now children, I will show you how to edit a document, like selecting a text, moving the text, copying the text, then how to delete blocks of text, then undo and redo changes. So let us start from selecting the text. How to select a text? There are some technique to select a text. Like if you want to select a word, just you want to select this word computer. So what you will do, with your mouse you will double click the left button. Okay, then double click it. See, the computer is selected, the word is selected. Then if you want to select a paragraph, what you have to do, within this paragraph you keep your cursor and you triple click the left button. 1 2 3. See, the paragraph is been selected. And if you want to select some lines, like I want to select this line from this paragraph, so what I will do, I will put the cursor here, I will press the left button of the mouse and drag it, and you can see this line is being selected. Okay children, now if you want to select the entire document, what you have to do, you have to keep the cursor on the first line or the home point of the page, home at the starting point, and drag the mouse. You can select the whole paragraph of the document, or you can just click Ctrl and A and you will see the whole paragraph is selected. Now children, if you want to insert something on the already existing document, what you have to do, wherever you want to write, you just bring the cursor there and then you can start typing there. So let me write one line for you. So children, I have added a line here. Children view the computer as a friend so that they not only learn it but also enjoy using it. And if you want to write many more lines, then you can start typing from there. Now you see here I have written a friend and I have to insert a space here. So what do I have to do? I have to just click the cursor in between these two words A and F, and I will press the space bar key, and see, the space A and friend has a space in between. like that. If you want to, like this is one full paragraph, if I want to make it as two paragraphs, so what I can do, I will go to the line from where I want it to be in another paragraph. I will press the cursor, I will bring the cursor there and just press enter key, and then you can see there are two paragraphs now, which means that I have inserted a blank space between these two lines. This is your blank space and I have created this and made them as two paragraphs. Now children, we will learn about how to copy, how to move the text and how to copy the text. If I want to move the text, like if I want this line to come to the end of this paragraph, so what I will do, I will just bring the cursor here, I will select it and right click, you will get cut option, just click it and then you, wherever you want, you can just click the cursor there and right click, click paste, and see the line has came down the paragraph. So in this way you can move the text wherever you want. Let me show you it again. If I want it back in there, in that middle line, so what I will do, I will just select it and right click, or you can press Ctrl plus X, which is your shortcut key, and press cut, and then click the cursor here where you want to paste it and right click and paste, or you can press the key Ctrl plus V, so you can paste the thing again. Now how to copy the text. If I want this paragraph again to be copied, so what I will do, I will just select the whole paragraph, I will right click the button, press copy, and then I want it down here, so what I will do, I will go for another line and I will click the right button and paste, and you can see the whole paragraph came down after this paragraph again. So like this way you can copy the text. Children, you can copy or copy the text to another document also. If I want to copy this one to another document, what I will do, I will select it, I will select copy, then I will go for the new document, just create it, and there I will click the cursor and then right click and paste. You can see it came again on the next page, or a new document has been created.